Hello English learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Bhavika with you to help you in learning English. And here you can improve your English step by step easily. But friends, अगर आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें। और अगर आप मेरी चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। So let's begin with our today's interesting topic, present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, there is a connection with the present or now. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about action that started in the past and stopped recently. Now let's check the formula of present perfect continuous tense. Has or have been plus present participle. Friends, present participle means main form of verb plus ing. Let's check an example. She has been reading. Friends, here she is a subject, has is an auxiliary verb, been is also an auxiliary verb. It is past participle V3. And reading is the present participle of main verb to read. When we use the present perfect continuous tense in speaking, we contract the subject and the first auxiliary verb. We do this in informal writing. You can check these examples. We often use for and since with the present perfect continuous tense. We use for to talk about a period of time. We use since to talk about a point in past time. For negative sentences in present perfect continuous tense, we add not after the first auxiliary verb. For question sentences in present perfect continuous tense, we exchange the subject and first auxiliary verb. Now let's check some examples of question sentences in present perfect continuous tense. What has she been doing? What have you been doing all day? Which car has Nishika been driving? How long has it been raining? Now let's check some examples of negative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. I have not been feeling well. Priyansh has not been sleeping. He has not been paying attention. Now friends, let's check some more examples. I have been writing for 2 hours. Avni has been playing badminton for a long time. Arjun has been living in America since he left college. She has been talking too much. She has been playing volleyball. They have been studying since 5 o'clock. So guys, here we have completed present perfect continuous tense. In next video, we will learn the past perfect tense. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you later friends. Thank you.